What's up, guys? I just need to do a quick video for the analysis of the trade I took on Eurusd, and let's go to the uh, actual analysis on the. Here I was on the daily chart looking for the premium PD array, and I saw this daily fair value gap right here, where I hope to see the prices reaching to and rejected. Then I wanted to measure my daily range, and I fibbed this swing, and I noticed that this daily fair value gap is a little bit into the equilibrium, where it will be a really good spot for the price to come and reject it. Um, then I moved to the 4 hour, where I was observing the price, and let's play a little bit forward here to see to get to see what I was just looking in the price. Okay, let's go a little bit faster here. All right. So that was what I saw on the daily chart that caught my attention. Because first of all, I had this relatively equal high right here being taken out really quickly, and I perfectly analyzed those relatively equal high. After that, I saw these relatively equal high to the downside, where I believe the price will target to. So let's buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity over here. This is just USD. Then I move to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, I saw this trend line liquidity, where I believe the price it would like to target. Okay, so that was really beautiful trend line liquidity. And then I had this brick of structure, very beautiful brick of structure right here. After that, I marked the order block that I spot on the 1 hour right here, and it was really perfectly, looks like it's perfectly, and although it has not tapped here, let me show you what I saw on the DXY that lead me to trust this trade idea to the downside right here. So we'll go to the DXY. Let's go to the DXY here and see what happened over there. Let's go. The connection a little bit slow here. So starting to the with the daily chart over there, I saw this perfectly fair value gap on the daily chart here on DXY. This was a perfectly okay. Then when I measure the the daily range over here to get my premium to discount, I saw that the price has reached to um, discount level here, and then I noticed that it has not reached to the daily fair value gap, but a little bit there. It was a little bit there, and in my actual analysis, I saw it reached. I don't know why in here it has not reached, but in my analysis it reached. So once I saw that the price reach over there, I went way back to 1 hour charts, and I noticed that the price took out this high over here. Once I noticed that, I marked up my order block or over here. Oh shit! I marked up my order block over here, where I thought that the price will reach to. Okay, so again, I saw this trend line liquidity on the XY as well, that I believe the price will target. After that, I again saw relatively equal high to um, dollar that acts as a sell side liquidity. So side liquidity, perfect. After that, I drew my line to show that this is going to be taken out over there. And we'll go back to Euro USD. I was also pinpoint the charts over. You can see in my tweets. I will show you. After seeing this, I was now ready to take the trades, and I took the trade just a little bit higher because I I saw that the price made a big wick here, so I know it will retrace heavily, and I target this uh, trend line liquidity for 123. I don't know why it doesn't show 123 in here. The measurement of the FX replay and the actually broker I traded from is different. Like you can see here, we have 123 trend, trend targeting that trend line, that liquidity. But let's move a little bit hard here. Okay, it's actually the trade I took. Now let's play the trade and see how the trade goes. Now it went a little bit down, a little bit down again, thinking that I have missed the trade, but I hold, trusting my analysis. Went a little bit down again, but finally it went right to my TP, my entry, and then it tagged me perfectly. A little bit draw down, not so much, and then it goes to my target. Once I saw it has taken out this swing low here, I moved the stop loss to break even, but stop loss to break even over here. And then I let it run for 1 to 3. As you can see, it's before running, and and all right, let's keep holding this. I don't know, it's stopped playing, but it TP, it hit the full TP over here. I don't know why it stopped playing, but let's see why it stopped. It stopped playing. But that's pretty much it. It was that beautiful trade I wanted to talk about, and it's it hits the TP, the full TP, as I will show you in my Twitter, that it actually hit the actual TP. It went and hit the TP. I don't know why, but it is what it is. It went and hit the TP. Now let's not waste much of the time with it. Let's look at the XY, what it does instead. But XY took out this relatively equal high. I think the data has not been added, but when the data is added, you can see that this this the right side liquidity was taken out. Let me show you in my. So guys, that was a trade I analyzed beforehand and took. I'll show more about this trade on the kill it. Let me show you this actual trade over here. The trade was, this was the actual trade that I took and hit my 1 to 3 beautifully. I was it was perfectly analyzed beforehand. Okay, and this was DXY over here. Okay, this was analysis from DXY, and you can see it took the relatively equal high. Now let's go to my tweet and show you that I predicted this beforehand. And let's go back to December 6th, where I started predicting this. Okay, you can see here this was the DXY, and this was Euro USD. Okay, and this was actually entry. can see I had my entry over here, and this was actually the follow up. I posted everything in here. Everything was posted beforehand. So I was following this up. I can see the full TP is hit. The full TP is hit over here. So my TP was based on the dollar, because dollar has taken the relatively eco high while Euro USD had not taken. So I took 1 to 3 because of the dollar has taken the relatively eco high to the down to the upside. So that's pretty much it. And let's just to show you some other stuff here. I think it is enough. It is what it is. That's how that the trade I took, and it was beautiful. Another